Changing your profile picture on Postmates is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your profile information. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Look for the option that says Edit Profile or similar. This section allows you to make changes to your personal information, including your profile picture. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the option to change or upload your profile picture. You may be prompted to choose an image from your device's gallery or take a new photo using your camera. Step 5. Save Changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your new image is set. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Postmates. Enjoy your new look.